This is a documentary about nature. Not just human nature, or the kind of nature that rides some people. This is about the world around us. The plants, the animals, things great and small, from the very ordinary to things very strange indeed.
For many years, scientists have studied the animal kingdom to understand exactly how they behave and how they communicate. Now, thanks to modern technology, we are now able to isolate specific frequencies. Using a series of complex algorithms, as well as a few big words to impress our viewers, we are now not only able to understand how they communicate, but we have the tools to decipher exactly what it is they are saying. At this very moment, we are eavesdropping on a pride of lions, in particular an alpha couple. Let's listen in on their romantic anecdotes.
Lord, hungry kill me. From morning like that, you said you could look after a little breakfast,
Hey, wait. You not have part two. You think we can get up every day and run up and down behind gazelle? Look for my nail them. You ever want to eat? Go get a manicure.
See? I don't think I'm talk about, you know. How you expect the rest of the pride to respect me if you have a diss with them kind of way, eh?
What a stress.
Primates have been observed manifesting human-like behavior. This time, let's observe this mother-child interaction.
Make yes, I eat a breakfast. If you think you're not going to school this morning, you make a sad mistake.
You don't want to school. Teacher beat me so we can't spell chimpanzee.
In the tapping eyes in our yard.
In a metropolitan part of the animal kingdom, ducks going by the river, and it's rush hour.
Down a sandy gully. Who already?
Hey, how kind of driving that star? I was part to buy your license. Hey, wait, hold that. Somebody just picked my pocket.
You never see nothing. Here and there, we are blind.
Police up the road. Put on a seatbelt. The air is abuzz with activity.
Control, this is Alpha Wing 646 approaching runway 2. Am I clear for landing?
Alpha Wing 646, this is Control. You are not clear for landing. There's a flock of pigeons coming in. Please lower your altitude to 50 feet and circle by the coconut tree where you see the woolly padron crow den. Then await my further instructions.
Alright, Control, beg you hurry up though. Anytime you see Tranquil, you know, so some dead animal there about to me. Can't take the stench.
But I will. Most country you come from.
And now, at the top of the food chain, Homo sapiens.
I said Homo sapiens.
Yes, human beings. And what kind of documentary would this be if we spoke about humans but did not mention evolution?
Featuring 303 horsepower and 305 pound-foot of torque, this car goes from 0 to 60 in 4.4 seconds.
What kind of evolution do you think I was referring to? Keep that monkey business to yourself.